Today, we're talking about something super useful: how to claim a tax refund online in the UK. If you think you've paid too much tax, maybe you changed jobs, worked under CIS, or had work expenses, you could be owed money back from HMRC. Let's walk through it step by step. Check if you're eligible. First things first, do you qualify for a refund? You might if you had more than one job in a year, you left work before the tax year ended, you're in construction and paid under CIS, or you had allowable work expenses that weren't reimbursed. If any of that sounds like you, it's time to move on. Get your paperwork ready. You'll need your P60 or P45, any payslips or CIS statements, a list of expenses you want to claim, like tools, uniforms, mileage, your national insurance number, and your government gateway login details. If you don't have a gateway account yet, don't worry. It only takes a few minutes to set one up on gov.uk. Log into HMRC and fill in the form. Once logged into your personal tax account, go to Claim a Tax Refund. Choose the relevant tax year. Fill in your employment details. Add your expenses if you have any. Double-check everything. It's a pretty straightforward form, but accuracy is key. Don't rush it. Submit and wait for your refund. Once you hit Submit, HMRC will usually confirm within a couple of weeks. If everything checks out, you could get your refund within 5 working days, straight to your bank account. Easy! So that's it. That's how you claim a tax refund online in the UK. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to make your accounting easier every step of the way.